In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Dialpad via the web app in your browser. To get started, make sure you're using a modern browser. Google Chrome tends to work best with Dialpad, offering the smoothest performance and the fewest compatibility issues. If you're on another browser, that's fine, but Chrome is the most reliable choice. Open your browser and head directly to dialpad.com/app. Typing this exact address takes you straight to the web app, so you can sign in without navigating through marketing pages. If you plan to use Dialpad frequently, consider marking this page as a favorite so you can return to it quickly next time. On the sign-in page, you'll see a couple of ways to log in. If your organization uses a standard login, enter your account email and your password, just as they were set up for you. Be mindful of spelling and capitalization. If you ever run into a password issue, use your organization's approved recovery method rather than guessing multiple times, which can lock you out. Many organizations use single sign-on. If that's you, choose Log In with Google or Log In with Microsoft Office 365. This tells Dialpad to authenticate you through your company's identity provider. If your browser is already signed in to multiple profiles, make sure you select the correct work account, not a personal one. You may be redirected to your organization's sign-in page, where you'll complete any prompts that appear. The button labels can vary slightly depending on your setup, but the process is the same. Pick the provider your company uses and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Dialpad console. Think of this as your command center. Your inbox is where recent calls, voicemails, texts, and other messages are organized, making it easy to catch up on what you've missed. Your contacts area gives you quick access to teammates and saved numbers, so you can start a conversation without hunting for details. The calling interface is where you place and receive calls right from the browser. If your browser later asks for microphone or notification permissions, that's normal for calling and alerts. You can review those when you're ready to make calls. That's all it takes. Open your browser, go to dialpad.com/app, sign in with your email and password or your SSO option, and you'll be in your Dialpad console with your inbox, contacts, and calling tools ready to go. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to start working in Dialpad from your browser.